Within close to 24 hours of taking oath with all his ministers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet list is currently out and the portfolios have been distributed. What has been reported throughout by Network 18 and which is also a clear indication that one has seen is that of continuity as well. The top four ministers on the Raisina Hill, whether it is Home Minister Amit Shah, Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, External Affairs Minister Mr. S. Jaishankar or Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, their portfolios remain unchanged and they've been pursued again with. This was very clear because the Modi government had already informed the other allies that these four portfolios are going to be uncompromisable as well. Given the fact that there are many people who have come within the NDA fold now with Chirag Paswan, TDP and of course JDU amongst the others as well, equal distribution has been done, but the meaty portfolios, whether it is telecom which has been given to Jyotiraditya Scindia or railways which continues to be with Ashwini Vaishnav, a sense of continuity has been maintained. And Hardeep Singh Puri, also an old aide of the BJP government, of course an old aide of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, will continue to get the portfolio of petroleum. Again, a minister in the sitting government, Dharmendra Pradhan continues to get the ministry for education. Piyush Goyal, another leader in the ranks who has now moved from Rajya Sabha to Lok Sabha after winning the North Mumbai seat, is going to be the commerce minister of the country as well. So several, in fact, important portfolios have also been given to the allies. For example, Ram Mohan Naidu of TDP has got the Ministry for Civil Aviation. At the same time, Chirag Paswan, another close aide of the BJP leadership, especially of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he's been given sports. As far as the continuation is concerned, Mansukh Mandaviya's portfolio has now been changed. So he's been made the Minister for Labour and also the Minister for Youth Affairs as well. And in fact, there are other names that have also been discussed in multiple issues, but the Prime Minister has maintained that his top four ministers have remained the same, and in fact the CCS will also remain the same as well. There were a lot of speculations saying that probably Ashwini Vaishnav would be given another charge and not be given railways, but that has turned out not to be true, given the fact that you have seen that he's been pursued with, and most importantly Ashwini Vaishnav is now also the Minister for Information and Broadcasting. Two important messages being sent by the Prime Minister over here. A is that of continuity, that he will continue with that pursuing ministers, and at the same time rewarding of ministers who worked according to the requirements of the party, requirements of the government, and at the same time have maintained a very humble demeanour as well.